Every successful YouTuber you admire started with a story, a camera, and a hunger to learn. But what truly separates creators who get millions of views from those who fade away? It's the knowledge they build, one book at a time. So today, let's explore 20 must-read books that cover every single aspect of YouTube success, from storytelling and growth to monetization and mindset. And yes, I'll share the perfect reading sequence so your learning journey feels natural and smooth. Every great video starts with a great story. That's why your journey begins with mastering storytelling. Book 1, Building a Story Brand by Donald Miller. Learn how to clarify your message so viewers instantly get what your channel stands for. Book 2, Made to Stick by Chip and Dan Heath. Discover what makes ideas unforgettable, perfect for crafting catchy hooks and thumbnails. Book 3, Storyworthy by Matthew Dix, teaches you how to find powerful personal stories, the ones that connect deeply with your viewers. Book 4, Steal Like an Artist by Austin Kleon, shows you how to remix ideas and build creativity without burnout. Book 5, Show Your Work by Austin Kleon, encourages you to share your creative process, not just your finished videos. That's how real community builds. Now that you know how to tell stories, let's master the process of creating them efficiently and beautifully. Book 6, The Content Creator Handbook by Dave Coulier, a practical guide to scripting, lighting, batching, everything you need for consistent uploads. Book 7, Creativity Inc. by Ed Catmull, lessons from Pixar on keeping creativity alive in a team, even when deadlines get tough. Book 8, Storytelling with Data by Cole Knaflick, learn to present information visually, great for educational or analysis-based channels. Once your content looks great, it's time to make it grow. This is where you learn how YouTube really works. Book 9, YouTube Secrets by Cannell and Benji Travis, step-by-step growth playbook from finding your niche to building community. Book 10, The YouTube Formula by Derral, the science behind the algorithm, how to optimize titles, retention, and audience engagement. Book 11, Hook Point by Brendan Kane, learn how to grab attention in just 3 seconds, the secret of viral videos. Book 12, 1 Million Followers by Brendan Kane, practical case studies on how people grow fast using psychology and strategy. Now that you're growing, let's talk money. Because YouTube isn't just a platform, it's a business. Book 13, Content Inc. by Joe Pulizzi, teaches how to build a full business around your content, not the other way around. Book 14, Influencer by Brittany Hennessy, inside secrets of brand deals, sponsorships, and media partnerships. Book 15, Crushing It by Gary Vaynerchuk, stories of real creators who built empires through consistency and passion. For Fans by Pat Flynn, how to turn casual viewers into a loyal fan base that supports you for life. Book 17, The E-Myth Revisited by Michael Gerber, learn to build systems so your channel runs smoothly even when you're away. Finally, Future-Proof Your Creator Journey. These books keep your creativity strong for years to come. Book 18, Made in Future by Prashant Challapalli, an Indian perspective on how media, brands and creators will evolve, essential for staying ahead. Book 19, The Hero with 1,000 Faces by Joseph Campbell, reveals timeless story patterns used in movies and myths, apply them to your YouTube storytelling. Book 20, Content Marketing Secrets by Mark Schaefer, learn how to turn your creative energy into influence, income and impact. So there you go, 20 books, 1 roadmap, and a lifetime of wisdom. If you read just 1 book a week, in 6 months you'll have a complete creator MBA. Start small. Read. Apply. Improve. And remember, your next upload could inspire millions. So grab a book and start creating.